Spring break. No, I'm not going to run off to some tropical destination next week, but I am going to be mixing things up. Instead of posting these daily vlogs, I'm going to pause those and buckle down and get some work done on a few feature-length builds that I've had in the works for a while but have been unable to complete. The added time I'll have next week will allow me to get some much-needed work done on those. I'm also looking at revamping how I'm creating shorts. I've been digging deep into the analytics of my videos and seeing what works, seeing what doesn't, seeing what keeps people engaged, and trying to better understand what you, the subscribers, want to see. After all, this is a partnership in many ways. I have to create things that you want to watch. It's just a win-win if I can pull this off. By the way, let me say thanks. If you're here watching this, you're probably subscribed, and I really appreciate that. I just hit a huge milestone, 10,000 subscribers. Granted, not all 10,000 subscribers are watching every one of my videos. In fact, many fewer of you are watching these daily updates. You are the dedicated few, and I want to say thanks in particular to you. If by chance you haven't subscribed or you're not signed up to get notifications, by the subscribe button, definitely click the bell. That allows you to get notifications when I post new stuff on YouTube. That way you can see what's fresh when it comes out. And it really helps me to continue to connect with my audience, and YouTube likes it. So if you want to see more of this stuff, that little kind of support really helps me continue to do more. And I do greatly appreciate it. Okay, lots in the works. I hope you have a good spring. Maybe you're on spring break this week, maybe it was last, maybe it's this coming week, but whatever you're doing, take the time to enjoy. I hope you have time to create and keep making.